It's fucked!
Oh.
We've got so much action, it's only a minute in. Dude!
Quality.
Quality. It's actually not chipped, or I mean not like broken as much as I thought it would be.
It's a serrated blade conversion.
It's a serrated blade conversion.
Do some next thing. Muffler rock conversion. Yeah, I threw that rock.
Muffler rock
And
conversion.
that was a good throw. That won't buff out. Oh, what's he got? Take the cooling shroud off.
Oh!
Take the throw it at the front or take the spark plug. Take the cooling shroud off.
The second minute definitely does not have as much action.
We should blow the engine up. That would be a good third minute.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Oh! Oh!
It's gonna like, fuck man, this is gonna be evidence. This video is gonna be evidence. Oh, I hate it when it stops.
It will never stop.
Oh, it sounds fucked.
Oh.
Oh, that's disgusting. That is gross.
Ah, she's falling.
It's gonna blow. Y'all should set up the camera close. Oh!
Yo, someone flying near my car.
Yeah.
Yo, no more. That was sketchy.
That was the.
She seized.
She seized.
Probably the rod.
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
That's gonna be an awesome video, friend. A little.
This is serious.
That almost hit my fucking car.
Half the blade is missing,
Near my car.
and it almost hit this fine automobile.
With a 15-inch subwoofer.
It's got a 15-inch subwoofer. Got Lucas oil stabilizer.
Look at that sticker.
Yo, close up.
Look at that license plate cover, buddy.
It's got this.
Horsepowers is.
This is horsepower.
841 cubic fucking inches.
841.